Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about a major problem faced by a user while shifting from an iPhone to an Android mobile. That's nothing but the data transfer. Today we are going to see how to transfer your data from your iPhone to an Android mobile.
Hey guys, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.
Yep, I'm using Pixel 2 right now and I want to transfer my data from the iPhone 8 Plus. The phone is booting and I got a start screen over there. By clicking on start, we can move forward from this page. So here it's asking us to connect to a network. Yep, we have to insert our SIM because we need some network connection. And I'm also connecting to the nearest Wi-Fi by typing the password. And finally here we have been given with two options. They are copy your whole data and the next one is set up as a new phone. In the first option we can copy our data from any other device, and about the second option it's all about setting up the new phone where you can't find your data anymore and that has a very fresh look. By clicking on the first option you can do the process which we are dealing now. The device from which we want to transfer our data should be turned on as well as unlocked. Now both the devices has to be connected with the USB cable which has been given with your iPhone in association with the USB slot connector which is given with the Pixel 2. Click on next after connecting both the mobiles. After connecting both the mobiles, there is a pop-up shown on your iPhone whether the device is trustable or not. Before that, you have to unlock your mobile by typing your passcode. And now in your Android mobile, click on next and sign into the Google account. Then agree for the following terms and conditions. The checklist elongated with few options called messages, contacts, images, videos, files, etc. You can opt your own choice and click on done. Then the data transfer will be started. After the data transfer is completed, the device will ask us to unlock your mobile and disconnect them. Now there is a pop-up showing that to set up the Google Assistant. Next, agree, done. Yep, completed. The phone is getting ready. Yep, done. And we are on the home screen of Pixel 2. Yep, now we can see the apps which are transferred from the iPhone are here. The existing apps which are transferred and which are also available on Android are here. And the messages are already imported. They are also imported. And the phone book and the call history and the contacts are also imported, and a few apps are now under download. And we'll go to photos now. Yeah, photos and videos are also done. Guys, I think this is one of the easiest manner to transfer your data from an iPhone to your Android mobile. If you like it and if you have any queries regarding this, please comment below on the comment box, and if you like the video, please click on the thumbs up button and don't forget to click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon for all our latest updates. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.